Yes, Chairman of the House of Representatives Committee on Petroleum Resources, Upstream, Mr. Musa Adar, says the National Assembly will expedite actions on the passage of the Petroleum Industry Bill in order to reposition the industry. He made this known at a visit of the committee to the headquarters of the Department of Petroleum Resources in Lagos. We have details in this report.
Members of the House of Representatives Committee on Petroleum Resources, Upstream, are here at the Lagos office of the Department of Petroleum Resources as part of its oversight responsibilities. Chief Executive Officer of the department, Sarki Awalu, used a detailed presentation to explain activities and dealings of the DPR to the lawmakers. It says the regulator generated a total sum of 742.4 billion naira for the federal government from January to August this year. The DPR boss is optimistic. He believes the regulatory agencies would surpass its revenue targets despite the triple force of COVID-19 pandemic, oil price crash, and OPEC Plus production cuts.
Now we are able to generate over $1 billion for Nigeria up to July. So we're keeping on, and look at the interest we have in the ongoing bid process for the marginal field. That really shows that the strategy is working because we have a tremendous interest and people are really putting. So that really guarantee our process of optimization and seeing through that is a win-win for the investors, for participants, as well as professionals in the industry. We have seen an increase in enhanced revenue, increase in cost of production being reduced, and integration vertically, and synergy between companies, as well as reduce in cost of production.
After a tour of the facility, the leader of the team restated commitment to supporting any legislative effort that would ensure that DPR strengthened its capacity to deliver on its regulatory mandate.
The presentations by the Director of DPR is quite elaborate, very incisive, and really encouraging because it has opened our understanding of the oil and gas business in Nigeria. With this, we are now ready to go on with the real work on the oil and gas administration through the legislation. And what he has presented to us in form of compendium as a souvenir to us will guide us to enact more laws, to amend obsolete laws, and to make some amendments of laws that are required to govern the oil and gas industry in this country.
PMS, it can cost any value, but if there is an alternative, which is cheaper alternative, you can see this gas is available. In fact, we are trying to really put forward the mix so that we have more liquids. Currently, we are looking at 7 bar per cylinder, and the mix is between 20 and 30. We are increasing the mix between 40 and 50 propane and butane, which gives more availability for this fuel.
The DPR says it will continue to adopt approaches aimed at deepening its influencing role as a business enabler for the entire oil and gas industry.